Welcome to episode 4 of the cooking show with no name, no format.
No ingredients? Well, it has ingredients.
Something like that. I'm going to be B camera, so I'm going to film all the ingredients bit, but look at what you're going to be seeing now is where I've had to put the camera for it to make any sense. Anyway, this episode I'm sous chef. We're doing one of Hannah's recipes, found online and adapted to originality throughout the weeks of cooking.
Yes.
So please, Hannah, take it away.
So what this is a curry. One pot, minimal cleanup, fantastic flavourings. For this one, we're using the Richmond no chicken char grill pieces. Now these are a new thing for us. They're quite thin, they're quite small. So they're really great mouthfeel. Yeah. Pour that in your pan, oven-proof dish, whatever you want to call it. And then you put your paste, which for this paste, I've made it using some medium curry powder, tikka, some chilli powder, I might need a little bit more water actually, some tomato puree and some water. You pour this over your chicken. You just stir it through your chicken really.
Is it time for a beer?
There's only one left.
The last Heine. This is what it's come down to. Happy Heineken.
Happy Heine. And then you put your marinated chicken in the oven for about 10 minutes. Okie doke, so you get your chicken thing out the oven. So in here we've got some broccoli, some courgette, some aubergine, some leeks, some tomatoes randomly, and some mushrooms. Need 1 can of plum tomatoes. Pour them in. And then I do cut them up a little, just so share the love a bit, you know. We add some coconut milk. We've got reduced fat. We do only add about half a can.
I'm going to swap the B-roll camera for the main camera. Seems like this one's pretty much out of use now, so why not get the most out of the better camera? Switching on over.
One of the cool parts for someone that doesn't have a microwave anymore. Pour in a microwave bag of rice. We've gone for basmati. You can do pilau, you can do brown, you can do plain white rice. And then you pour all that in, num num num. You put it in the oven for about 40 minutes. But you come back in 20 and give it a little check, a little stir. You're back. It's 40 minutes later. We did stir it halfway through. We just didn't record that because we were just stirring it again, really, basically. So it's been about 40 minutes now. So we're going to get it out the oven. Look at that. Completely optional, and this isn't traditional, but I've made a very quick Greek yogurt raita, which is yogurt, cucumber and mint, and just put a little dollop of that on. One, it's just nice, adds a nice coolingness to it, and 2, a bit more protein for us.
Can I have an iron brew?
You can.
Woohoo! Delicious.